Hey Charlie. Oh, hey Rob. What are you here for now? We're gonna install the new phone system. Do you want to help? Oh boy, Rob. You get started and I'll be right there. Okay, hi everyone. I'm Charlie's gonna come and help us. You just saw him. We just talked to him, right? So we're gonna do an unboxing of the Vtech 3 handset cordless phone system. The advantage of this one is we'll show you over here. Like the main base of this is going to go over by the TV. We'll show you. It's going to be placed somewhere over here, right? That way we avoid Shannon's current system that has the base over on the over on the desk. Like that's our current one. But the problem with that system is it has a cord that has to go all the way along the floor and taped across the floor and plug back in here someplace, right? So with this new way, like one of the cordless phones will sit here. There'll be one on the desk and one in the bedroom. Okay, are you ready?
Okay, numbers are moving, go.
Okay, we're gonna start the unboxing now, right? And note if you ever buy one, make sure the tape is sealed here. Like on this case, it was. Right, so we've removed that, so we're gonna open it up here, right?
Correct.
And we have I'm expecting this is for like a wall mount situation.
Yeah.
So we won't throw that out. Like
no.
Never throw anything out.
No.
Right, and we have an empty box. We'll put that there for now. We should have there's one handset there, right?
Yep.
Or one, like, you know what I mean.
Yep.
Right, and there's one, like another one here, so that would be potentially desk and bedroom, right? And this would be the main one
by the TV
here that has to go onto the TV, right?
Correct.
And there's a line out here, and this will be the, well, I guess one of the batteries for the thing, and another one here.
Yep.
Oh, this is what I was looking for. This is the main thing here, and this in this case will have to be plugged into the back of Shannon's Lifeline system.
Yes.
Right where the other white cord was. So that's going to go there, right? And we have down here another
two batteries.
Two more batteries for the
other handsets.
So there's one there, there's one there, and we got this. We got instruction manual. It's always good to read it over, right? We got one handset, two handset, and three handset, and we got the another user's menu here.
It's probably French.
Abridged version. That's Canadian version. This
okay.
is French too, or uses. I think that's French. Okay, so what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna pause it. I'm gonna go over and install this one now.
Okay. Good.
Okay, so what we have to do now is we'll show you on one. You have to put the battery in here.
Yes.
And you got to make it line up like. Right, so that's going to go in there. And that's going to go there like that. I think that goes like that. Right?
Yes.
And we're going to put one of these on. Can you pause it?
I sure can.
So
and go.
Where are the other bases? Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, this is the main base. This is the only one that needs this to go in. Right, and that's going to go in there like that.
Correct.
Right, then we're going to put it through here like this. Right, then we're going to go over to here, and Shannon's going to pause it for now, I guess, until we get in position.
Okay.
Okay, the other thing we got to do is plug the power into there. Right?
Correct.
So we got to, we can figure this out when we're over there as far as
Yeah.
Because I had it and then it came right out like. Now, so now we're going to go over here with one of our handsets.
And I'm going to pause it because I can't walk.
So if you got it all in position here, this here had to be plugged into the back of her lifeline. And we've got the plug-in over there. And Shannon said you saw a light flash there.
Yes, I did.
Okay, let's try this out then. Okay, we got the other, we got the one working that's over by the TV, and we did a test call and it works good. But what I have to do is once we're going to put another one in, they'll go outside and check the intercom, like, but it should work. There's no reason it shouldn't. Okay, everybody, we got this one here going. Okay, then the other one, it shouldn't ring in the other one, but I'm gonna go in the other room and ring the other one, but it shouldn't ring though. Okay, we've got the third handset set up in here, so we're gonna do a test ring. Charlie, meow.
All right, there's Rob.
Okay, Charlie. Oh, Rob, I see you've got my mom's new phone system set up with the 3 handsets. That's great. So, Rob, one more thing you should do is phone my mom to make sure they all ring. Okay, Charlie, we can do that. You ready, Charlie? Charlie, it's ringing.
Look at that, Charlie.
So the 2 in here work and the 1 in the bedroom works, and we've already tried the intercom system and it works good. So we're going to hang up for now, and we'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now. Like and subscribe. But anyway, Charlie, I guess we'll do another closer video on this, because that was sneaky. We had to use your mom's video to do the filming too. Oh, Rob, I was wondering how you guys did that. That was pretty slick. Anyway, Rob, what are you going to do with the old phone here? Oh, Charlie, I'll just take it to my condo and I'll put it in a drawer somewhere, right? Because like
This one never stops.
If I get rambunctious one day, I could put it in the den or the bedroom. Then I have a secondary phone to open the front door, because right now it's just in the living room. Oh, Rob, you're so smart. Anyway, everyone, I think we prolonged this video long enough by adding an extra chapter that really wasn't necessary, but it gets people watching because it's all about me, isn't it, Rob? Oh, yes, Charlie, it's all about you. Oh, meow. Oh, big yawn. Anyway, on that note, you guys know the drill. Please like and subscribe and watch Rob's other videos. I know he did a video today he'll probably call No Jacket Required because he didn't find a jacket. But that should be up before this one. Anyone, please subscribe and like and do all that fun stuff. And oh, this is interesting, Rob. I can use this to scratch my face. But I'm sure your mom's going to put that away, Charlie. Oh, Rob, what if I knock it off the table? Oh, no, don't do that, Charlie. So everyone, like and subscribe, and we'll see you very soon.